In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this super quick and easy mini macrame wall hanging. All you need to know how to do this wall hanging is the lark's head knot and the square knot. See the link in the description below for a detailed tutorial on those knots. I will be giving you a quick lesson in this tutorial though. We're going to start by attaching 8 cords to the dowel with the lark's head knot. The materials you need are listed in the description below.
You want to fold your cord in half equally, take the ends, go around the back of your dowel, over the top,
and then down through the opening. Attach all 8 cords to the dowel with the lark's head knot.
Now we're going to do the square knot with the first 4 cords. Take the cord on the left, go over the 2 middle cords, take the cord on the right, over top of that cord you just brought over, and now go behind that cord and behind the 2 middle cords, and then pull it through that opening on the left hand side. Then pull that snug. That is half of the square knot. Now take the right hand cord, put it over the 2 middle cords, take the left hand cord, go over that cord you just brought over, around behind that cord and the 2 middle cords, and pull it through the opening and pull that snug. So that is the square knot. If you'd like a more in-depth tutorial on the lark's head knot and the square knot, see the link in the description below. Now we're going to do square knots all the way across, so there'll be 4 square knots in total.
Coming from the left, skip the first 2 cords, and with the next 4 cords, make a square knot.
And do the same thing with the next 2 groupings of 4 cords, omitting the last 2. Now we're going to take these 4 cords again on the left and do a square knot. And then do 3 more across with the remaining cords. Going from the left again, we're going to skip the first 2 cords and then do 3 square knots across. And now go in 4 cords from the left and do 2 square knots.
Between the 2 bottom square knots, make 1 square knot.
Now I'm going to cut the fringe in a V shape. And now I like to use a dog brush. It has metal combs. It's really easy to comb out fringe. I'm just going to go in. I'm going to comb this all out.
I'm going to use my metal comb to comb the cord that's up close to the knots.
And now I'm just going to tidy up the fringe.
I'd love it if you left me feedback in the comments below, and especially if there's a tutorial you'd like me to cover. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. Happy macrameing!